Hello angels, my name is Samantha Sagan, and in this video we are going to be continuing our review of the Moodstruck Addiction Palette. Today I bring you Addiction Palette 4. These are all palettes from Younique. I'm gonna give you a little quick sneak peek. Focus. She is pretty. I think I'm going to use these colors today in a little bit of a tutorial, and then these colors I think I've used in the past. I'm pretty sure I have a video up already. If I do, it'll be somewhere. Don't worry about it. So let's start by going through each of these colors here, and then we'll dive into our tutorial. So the first color we have is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Tender. It is a beautiful shimmery base color. I like to use it as a highlight in the inner corner as well as the brow bone, but occasionally I would just douse the entire eyelid with it and call it a day. Next we have Arrogant and Brave. Both of these colors make beautiful crease colors. And then we have the color Secretive, which I'm going to use in my eyelid today, and it is just gorgeous. And then we have Honest, Cheerful, and Triumphant. Gonna do one of these. Honest is a beautiful highlight color. Cheerful can be used as a base color or a transition color or even a lid color. And then Triumphant is also just gorgeous, great for the outer V or for the entire lid. But today we're gonna do a super duper easy eye using these four colors here. So let's get into it right away. As per usual, I'm gonna go in with the Moodstruck Eye Primer. Now you don't need a lot of this product at all. So I'm going to go in with a nice fluffy brush, clean enough. And I'm going to start with Tender as a little bit of a base. Now because there's highlight, when you walk out the door, everything's going to sparkle. And just like, look at the highlight here. Just look at it. I can leave the house with just this, right? Using that same brush, I'm going to go into the lighter brown called Arrogant. And look how pigmented she is right off the bat from the get-go. I can't with these. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of blending. Honestly, I can sweep this in the under eye area and just be done. It's so pretty already. But I wanna showcase all these colors, so I'm gonna go in with a angled brush, like this one here. Can you see it? Like this one here. And I'm gonna dip into Brave. And I'm going to concentrate in the outer V area. Oh, that's real pigmented. I'm gonna put the rest on this side. Okay, good. And then I'm going to blend with this brush initially. I'm actually gonna just sweep this underneath the eye just a little bit too. Alright, now to just lighten up the darkness of this, I'm going to go into Arrogant once more. On this little fluffy brush, or this big fluffy brush. Just a tiny little just a tiny little bit, and then I'm going to brush that color up here. I put more than I was supposed to. I keep forgetting I'm not doing drag makeup right now. Gotta even it out, so. Alright, don't worry too much. We're gonna put a highlight there anyway to clean it all up. I might do that thing where I take a little bit of concealer and just fix it up at the end. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take the sponge brush here and go into that beautiful gold color Secretive. She's so pretty. Coat this eye from the crease down. So now I want to do highlights, so I'm going into one of my favorite colors, Tender. Look how that just brightens the eye. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Also gonna put that highlight in the brow bone area. Oh, look at that. My next step is gonna be eyeliner. First, a little bit of black waterline action. I'll be right back. Now, if you've been watching my videos, especially this series, you'll know that I am in love with this eye pencil. Let's go into this precision eyeliner from Younique. I think I'll start with the left eye because I always mess up the left eye. Now tell me how this came out so perfect, so quickly, on the first go. What? Watch this be where I mess everything up. Man, if you have trouble with your eyeliner, get a teeny tiny precision pencil or liquid liner thing. So let's do our little concealer trick. Let's do it. So I'm gonna go in with Krylon TV Paint Stick in the color 4W. I'm gonna use just a teeny tiny brush like so. Go underneath this liner. Another teeny tiny trick that you can do to reinforce the black of the eyeliner is to go into a black color. So last week we used Addiction Palette 3. I'm gonna go into this color Irate over here and just reinforce, go over the black. And then what this does is help you blend out the liner. And if there's any areas where it's like a little bit patchy, this will take care of it as well. I'm actually gonna take whatever's left, add to the contour too of the nose. Snatched. This also is a really, really good palette to use for contour. I already have my light contour on, but I'm gonna deepen it up with, what color am I gonna use? I think Brave is a little bit too much for me right now, so I'm gonna go in with Arrogant. So pretty. And just out of curiosity, I'm gonna take a little bit of Brave because I gotta try out everything. And I'm gonna go right here to try to whittle down the jaw. Oh, I forgot mascara. Give me a second. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like a bronze goddess. Oh, lips. Now I have to teach today, so I'm just gonna do a glossy lip so I can easily reapply and not have to worry about it too much if my lips dry out. Now this is, I don't know, the lettering came off, so I don't know what it is. This one's more glittery, bronzy, kind of whatever, and it never had a label on to start, so no brand makeup. Woo woo. Alright, so here is the final look, my angels. Again, this was Addiction Palette number 4. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If not already, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to check out any products, go to SamanthaSatan.com. I think that's all the plugs I got. So for now, I want you to have a just wonderful and different day. Bye-bye, angels. Mwah.